Backstory. I am in the middle of trying to edit my vlog and I keep running into an issue with Adobe Premiere Pro in which you drag your media files into the timeline and for some reason it will not generate the waveform for the file. Now there are other videos out there that will recommend that you clear out the media cache files and that works momentarily, but as soon as you start dragging other media files into the timeline, the issue will still occur. So I'm going to show you guys a different solution that will hopefully help you guys out. And just for informational purposes, I am running Adobe Premiere Pro version 14.3.1 build 45. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click edit and you're going to navigate down to preferences. And from there, you're going to click on media cache. This window will appear. What you want to do is you want to navigate to this specific file path. Of course, yours may differ from my location. So that is where I'm going to navigate to. So I'm going to open up File Explorer in Windows. So I'm going to click on C. And then I'm going to go to Users. And then I'm going to click on my name. So we need to go to the app data folder. I actually have it right here. If you do not see the folder, you need to make sure that you show hidden items. If you do not see this view and you are on a different version of Windows, go ahead and click on options and you are going to select the view tab. And here you will see hidden files and folders. Make sure the radio button next to show hidden files, folders, and drives is selected. At that point, you click OK and you should be able to see the folder. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on app data. We are going to go to roaming. We're going to select Adobe and we are going to find the common folder. From here, what you have to do is double click on the peak files folder. Here you'll need to select every single item in this folder. Control+A and it'll select everything there. And the next thing that I will do is press the delete button. You will get a message saying, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 18 items? Select yes, and poof, they are gone. So now that you've done that, you can go ahead and close out of the folder. Go ahead and click OK here. You're going to click out of the project that you're working on. I am going to save changes. I am going to open up Premiere Pro again. I'm going to select the project that I was working on, which is vlog number 1. And down here at the bottom, you'll see that it's generating the peak files. So I'm just going to wait a little bit.
3 hours later.
So there you go. Here are the waveforms. They have finally appeared. If this fix worked for you, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to make my day, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it.